Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through the right way to copy a Canva template, save your project, and share your Canva document with others. Whether you're working on an ebook, a workbook, or just want to reuse a gorgeous design, doing this properly will save you tons of time and keep your original templates nice and tidy. Trust me, this small skill will make your creative life much easier. So let's dive straight in. First up, open up your browser and head over to Canva. If you're already logged in, perfect, you should land right on your home dashboard. If not, just sign in with your email or Google account. Canva is where all the magic happens, so make sure you're on the official website before you get started. Next, look toward the top right corner and click on that big purple Create a Design button. I know it's tempting to start scrolling through all the beautiful templates first, but selecting Create brings up the search bar, making everything even faster. Type in book in that search field. This trick is super helpful because it filters out the noise and takes you straight to all the book-related templates Canva offers. This is where you get to be a bit creative. Scroll through the designs, preview a few, and find one that matches the vibe you're going for, whether it's clean and modern or bright and bold. Remember, the template you pick is just your starting point, so don't stress too much about getting it perfect at this stage. Once you've picked your template, click on it to open it up. Canva automatically creates an editable version for you to work on. But here's the important part. Before you start making changes, it's a good idea to make a proper copy. This way, you protect the original template, just in case you need to go back or reuse it for other projects. Think of it like photocopying a blank worksheet before you start writing answers. You always have a clean version to return to. To do that, go up to the File menu at the top left of the editor. Click File, and from the drop-down select Make a Copy. Canva is going to take a few seconds here, so don't worry if nothing happens instantly. You'll see a new tab open up with your duplicated project. This is now your workspace. All the edits you make from here on out will apply only to your personal copy, so you're free to experiment. Now let's give your copy a custom name. This is a step people sometimes overlook, but it's a huge time saver when you've got several projects lined up. Plus, it makes sharing your design with teammates or clients way more organized. Go back up to File, and right at the top you'll notice the title field. Click on it, erase whatever generic name is there, and type in something meaningful. For example, Summer Reading Guide Draft or Client Workbook 2024. Hit Enter, and now your document will be easy to find and share. And that's it, you've successfully copied a Canva template the right way, renamed your file for easy access, and ensured you can share or revisit this project anytime you want. If you want to share your file, Canva gives you all kinds of options. Just hit the share button in the top right and send a view or edit link to anyone you need. So I hope you found these steps clear and helpful. If you have any questions or run into any hiccups while copying or sharing your Canva designs, drop a comment below and I'd be happy to help out. Don't forget to like this video if you learned something new, and be sure to subscribe for more easy-to-follow creative tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and happy designing.